This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susan Eason. Welcome to this gorgeous Edison floor plan featuring an impressive entry with 8 feet doors, high tray ceilings, crown molding throughout and tile floors in the entire home. This home shows like a model and features 3 bedrooms plus a den and Oasis fenced-in backyard with total privacy from the custom landscaping. The owner's bathroom is a spa with a large garden tub and walk-in shower with frameless door. The home comes partially furnished including all the mounted TVs, 1-bedroom set, living room sofa and loveseat, kitchen stools, all the window coverings, and the office is fully equipped with all the furniture. The garage has loads of storage with Gladiator shelving and a spare fridge for your extra beverages. Walk out your triple sliding glass doors and relax on your custom stone lanai while you cook out on your almost new Weber grill. Lindsford has one of the lowest HOA fees in town, offering a beautiful clubhouse, community pool, and spa, huge fitness center and clubhouse room along with tennis, bocce and basketball and amp, all your lawn care needs for only $213 a month. Best location, close to all your shopping needs, RSW Airport and Fort Myers Beach a short drive away. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Eason at 239-213-8555.